This TikTok channel right here made over $10,000 in just 30 days posting hypnotic videos. Look at the massive views on their videos. As you can see, most of these videos are over 1 minute long, and they're making a killing here. And this one started about 4 days ago and already has millions of views, few videos. The crazy part? Most people scroll right past them without realizing what they're actually watching. You've seen these videos before. A ball bouncing through mesmerizing spiral patterns, a countdown ticking at the top, and somehow you can't look away. You watch one, then two, then suddenly you've burned through 10 of them without even noticing. That's not an accident. That's psychology at work. And people are making serious money from it. So I started digging into this niche. I analyzed dozens of channels, studied their upload patterns, tracked their growth, and what I discovered was honestly mind-blowing. These channels are pulling 10, 15, sometimes 20 million views per month with the simplest videos you can imagine. We're not talking about complex editing or expensive equipment. We're talking about hypnotic animations that people literally cannot stop watching. And it's happening on both YouTube Shorts and TikTok simultaneously. Same content, double the revenue. Here's what makes this so powerful. These videos tap into something called the Zeigarnik effect. Your brain hates unfinished tasks. That countdown creates tension, and your subconscious won't let you scroll until it's resolved. That's why the average watch time on these videos is over 90%. And when watch time is high, the algorithm pushes your content to millions. Now here's where most people get stuck. They think creating these requires expensive software, animation skills, or coding knowledge. And honestly, a year ago, they'd be right. But today, I'm going to walk you through a method that takes less than 10 minutes per video and requires absolutely zero technical experience. Let me show you exactly how it's done. All right, let's get into the actual process. The first step is simple. Head over to Google and search for hypnos.io. You'll see the official website pop up at the top of the results. I've also dropped a direct link in the description below so you can skip the search and jump straight in. Once you land on the homepage, look for the button that says Get Started and click it. You'll be prompted to create an account using your email address. The whole sign-up process takes maybe 30 seconds, nothing complicated. After you've logged in, here's where things start to get interesting. You will be presented with a questionnaire. Don't rush through this part. Calm down and fill out the quick questionnaire. The platform needs a moment to understand your needs and do its thing. What's happening behind the scenes is actually pretty impressive. Hypnos is actively scanning and analyzing trending short-form video formats across both TikTok and YouTube Shorts in real time. And this matters more than you might think. You're not sitting around brainstorming ideas or hoping something works. You're building content on top of formats that have already been tested by the algorithm and proven to generate millions of views. You're essentially reverse engineering viral content. Once the analysis wraps up, you'll be taken to a dashboard filled with different templates. Each one represents a video style that's currently performing well. For this walkthrough, I'm going to select the Ball Escape Rings version 2 template, because right now, this specific format is absolutely crushing it in terms of views and engagement with a higher virality score. It's one of the top performers across the board. Now we get to the customization stage, and this is where you actually have a lot more control than you'd expect. You're not just hitting a button and hoping for the best. You can fine-tune nearly every aspect of the video to match what's working best. Let's start with the watermark. It is the Hypnos watermark, which actually allows creators to earn extra money. Hypnos pays creators who enable the watermark through their affiliate system. For this tutorial, I will not turn it on. Next, let's look into video duration. I personally recommend setting it to over 1 minute for TikTok monetization. Here's why that matters. These hypnotic, satisfying videos thrive on watch time. The longer someone stays glued to the screen, the better your retention metrics look. And when your retention is high, the algorithm sees that as a massive green flag and starts pushing your content to wider audiences. A full minute gives the platform plenty of data to work with. Next, you'll have options for choosing your color palette and controlling the animation speed. Color choice is more strategic than it seems. Brighter, more vibrant colors tend to grab attention faster, especially in a crowded feed. but darker, moodier tones can work really well. Well, too, if you're going for a more intense or mysterious vibe. It all depends on the emotional tone you want to set. As for speed, this is critical. You want the animation to feel tense and engaging, but not so fast that it becomes overwhelming or hard to follow. Play around with the slider and keep an eye on the live preview panel on the side. Keep tweaking until the pacing feels just right, like it's pulling you in without stressing you out. You can also customize the visual effects. I will leave it as it is. Now, let's talk about the image that appears in the center of your video, here. You can pick anyone from Hypno's library, or you can upload yours. Either way, it works fine. Next up, you'll want to adjust the sound effects, specifically the audio cue that plays when the ball hits the rings or bounces off obstacles. This might seem like a minor detail, but trust me, it's not. That little sound effect creates a rhythm, a sensory loop that keeps people engaged. It's subtle, but it has a huge impact on whether someone watches to the end or scrolls away after 3 seconds. When everything looks solid and your score is in a good range, click Generate Video. And just like that, in a matter of moments, your video is ready and the notifications sent to your email. No Adobe Premiere, no After Effects, no sitting in front of a timeline for hours trying to figure out keyframes and transitions. The platform handles all of that for you. All you need to do now is download the finished video to your device and upload it directly to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Add thought-provoking questions as captions, then publish. That's the entire process. You don't need thousands of followers. You don't need a polished brand or a fancy logo. This format is designed to perform on its own. The content itself is doing the heavy lifting. Let's preview the video. Let me give you some real-world context so you understand just how powerful this is. There's a TikTok account I've been tracking that started posting videos exactly like this. No face on camera, no voiceover, no complicated storytelling or editing tricks, just pure hypnotic content created with Hypnos. This creator spent about 10 minutes a day on the platform, nothing more. And the growth? It came faster than anyone anticipated. Within a few weeks, the account was pulling in hundreds of thousands of views per video. Some posts even crossed the 1 million view mark. This is exactly why creators who move fast and understand what's working right now end up winning big while everyone else is still trying to figure it out 6 months later. Now let's talk about pricing because I know that's on your mind. Hypnos keeps it straightforward. You can start with the starter plan at $19 per month. This is perfect if you just want to test the waters, see how the format performs, and get a feel for the platform without committing too much up front. If you want to scale faster and start posting more consistently, the Creator Plan at $39 per month gives you more generation credits and faster processing. And if you're serious about going all in, maybe you're running multiple accounts or planning to flood the algorithm with content, the Professional Plan at $89 per month is built for high volume. That's the tier where you can really dominate and maximize your revenue potential across platforms. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. If you enjoyed learning about this and you want more breakdowns like this, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of viral video formats you want to master next. I'm always looking for new trends to analyze and break down step by step. And if you found this tutorial helpful, if it actually gave you something actionable you can use today, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out content like this regularly, stuff that actually works, not just theory. Let's keep building together.